Ready? Start. The effectiveness of the governance is crucial to the development of country, and every well-governed country needs a highly professional civil service to meet the needs of public policy formulation and public management. Several countries have recognized this need and invested significant resources in upgrading the quality of their public service personnel. In India, the civil service system is the backbone of the government machinery. The civil servants play an extremely important role in the administration, policy formulation, implementation, and in taking the country forward towards progress and development. They perform their functions and duties through a number of central and state government ministries, departments, and organizations in accordance with the policy directions given by the respective governments. Basically, the obligation of the civil services is to root the administration of India in the recent decades, given the numerous challenges of development, governance, changes in technology, and the external environment, the role of a civil service officer has transformed. In such a state of affairs, it is government's responsibility to help the civil servants to acquire new knowledge and skills which they do not possess but are needed to improve their administrative output quantitatively and qualitatively. Recently, in September 2020, the Government of India approved a new capacity building program titled Mission Karmayogi, a national program for civil services capacity building within bracket NPCSCB bracket close scheme for its 46 lakh civil servants, including the officers and employees at all levels, with an aim to upgrade their procurement training mechanism. For this purpose, a sum of rupees 510.86 crore will be spent over a period of 5 years from 2020-21 to 2024-25. Mission Karmayogi program will be delivered through a digital platform called IGOT Karmayogi. The IGOT initiative is aimed toward need-based capacity building of state and central government officers and to facilitate the outreach of training facilities for them. The aim is to harmonize the training standards, create shared faculty and resources, and have supervisory role over all central training institutions. The ultimate goal of this scheme is to improve the capabilities of civil servants for ensuring efficient service delivery of the highest quality standards. The IGOT Karmayogi platform will act as a launched for the National Program for Civil Services Capacity Building. The Government of India is trying to develop this platform as a vibrant and world class marketplace for knowledge content where carefully designed and examined digital e-learning material by various training educational institutions will be made available to all government servants from assistant secretary to secretary level. The training courses under this Mission Karmayogi program will be accessible through IGOT Karmayogi web portal of DOPT, and officers will have the choice to choose an online course depending on their domain areas. On this IGOT platform, all kinds of courses from national and international universities will be made available for officers to choose and opt as per their job requirement and career enhancement. Besides capacity building, there is a plan to link training with officers' service matters like employment confirmation after probation period, posting work assignment, and notification of vacancies, etc. Thanks, friends, watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe, please.